I'm a big smiler. I love to talk. I love to laugh. I love to joke around. And so people see my teeth. And if I had a smile that I was self-conscious of, it probably would impact my personality and my ability when I go in and meet someone or talk to someone. So I think for many people, having a smile, boosts their confidence. It's like wearing a nice suit or fine clothing. It's something that, they can be proud of their appearance and something that other people will take note of. We really take great pride in our practice of giving people a smile that they can be proud of, whether that's, cleaning your teeth, whitening, or implants. And so when someone comes into my clinic, aesthetics are really important to me. Function is really important to me. I want the patient to have both. I want them to have teeth that work great and they can use, and I also want to enhance their appearance. You've got a nice smile, you're confident, you go in, you can light up the room. It's just something that you don't have to worry about.